Hobby Dude here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a doorbell using Quad Robotics STEM Learning Kit. Now I'm going to tell you the parts. First, we need 5 jumper wires, female to female, and then a push button, a buzzer, and we need the Q-Box processor to do all of this. Also, we need a battery box which holds 4 AA batteries for the processor. Now, we need to connect the push button to the Q-Box processor using some wires. Now, I'm going to show you how to connect it. You can see here there are some names to the small pins there. There are also some names on the processor. Now we have to connect them correctly. First, we should connect SIG over here to SIG to A1 on the Q-Box processor. As you can see, I connected it to A1. Now we need to connect GND to GND on the Q-Box processor. Now you can see it's connected. And last, we have to connect VCC to 5 volt. Now we have finished connecting the button to the processor, the buzzer to the processor again. Now you should put 2 wires to minus on the buzzer and S on the buzzer. You should not use the middle one. And then you should connect the minus one to MA2 on the processor. MA2 is over here. And then you should connect S to MA1. Thank you. Now we need to connect the battery box to the Q-Box processor. After we have done that, you have to turn it on the box. As you can see, when we turn on the power, we can see that the button has a red light showing that it is turned on. Now let's press the button and see what happens. As you can see, the buzzer is making a loud noise, which means it's working. You can put this outside on the outside of your door, so whenever somebody presses the button, it makes a loud noise. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.